Dear learners, I am Ritesh Kumar Ravi, Assistant Professor. Today we are going to learn about the multiplication of two numbers, and it is our usual practices first of all to write the name of a program, and today the name of the program is multiplication dot c, and even we know that this is will be taking of 8 characters for the naming, and it is coming like this. That's fine, that is not a problem. It is a clear visibility for us that this program are named as multiplication dot c, and as usual we are putting the comments that what kind of program it is. This is lab number 4, multiplication of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers. It is just like the addition of two numbers and a subtraction of two numbers. So we will quickly writing the header files like has include tdu.h for printf scan of values, and has include conio.h for get screen and get ch and clear screen. And after that, we are taking the main function as int main. So we have taken the int main value. We can segregate it also for a better visibility and understandability. It must be your in the best practices that each and every module or a part of programs will be clearly separated. Even if you don't write, just put it like this for your better understandability. So int main is a function which is taking the value of 2, and clear skin CLR, and this is the function, and then after I get ch with the value of two programs, and afterwards there will be some return value. And why this is a return value? Because of integer. This time I want to change some difference and I don't want to return any value. We can have a void value. If you don't want to return any value, we can have a void value. We will always, I used to try step by step to add and give you the informations about the program, and we can see that whether it is working or fine or not. But yes, again, this is a new try for us in the third program. So printf lab number, lab number, lab number, this is 4 for multiplication of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers. So we have done so. So just run it and see whether it is working fine or not, giving any errors. No, that's fine because void main is also taking for nothing to return. Hence, we have not done anything to return, and hence it is running fine. So we will run the value and or see the output, and lab number 4 multiplication of two numbers have come up properly. So that's a great thing for us. Now from here, the program, actual program is going to be written. We have seen that I am doing the program like the way so that it should be very easy for understandability purpose. So printf for the first number, we need to take enter the first number, enter the first number, first number. So we can see the first number with the scanner, but here again we have not defined any variable for that, for the same, so that we will have some kind of value. So ampersand d comma address of the variable is not defined, so quickly we will define the two numbers like int num1 comma num2 for the second numbers for which we are multiplying. And now again I am showing we can write the multiplication value in the same declaration point. So this is some new added things for your confidence that there is no any problem to write any value in a different way or in the same way. So declarations have been made over here in the same line, and it is not any impact and not impacting any conceptual view of our programming concept. So quickly we can write the number one as a num1 with the address num1, and accordingly num1, and accordingly we can take, since it is a case sensitive, you have seen that, accordingly we are taking the printf, enter the second number. So take the second number as, enter the second number with the slash in for the new line, and just take the user input with the help of a scanf function. Scanf, it's a system defined function, so taken as a scanf function, and ampersand t with the ampersand, which is the address, actually percent d and ampersand num2 value for taking the inputs. Let's check whether it is any error or not. So alt F9 for compilations. So quickly we have seen there is no error. And finally, we are running it also for taking the input that 40, yes, fine, sir. This is 50, that's fine also, not an issue. Now, we haven't get any output. Why? Because the logic has not been written till now. So quickly, we are going to write the logic, simple logic as like addition and subtraction. But yes, again, it is very easy. It is very easy. So I'm writing it scanf, printf, for displaying the output, printf, and then the multiplications of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers equals to, again this will be an integral values, and we are going to put it like, the logic has not been written, so quickly I'm writing the logic. So mul value, multiplication, I have taken as a variable, mul equals to num1 into num2 semicolon, and we can now write over here the multiplication is storing the value of multiplication of first and second number. So put it like this, and now it is a happy moment for us. So run the program. After seeing the zero input, we become happy, and now finally running the program. So enter the first number as usual. We are taking the 50 value or a 40 value, take it, and then 40 value we are taking, and we can see the output is 2000. So program is working perfectly fine. But yes, again, this program looks very easy, and we are not making it any difficult, because this is our learning and the beginnings of a program. So I'm not making it difficult. It is a very simple program. Now we will revise it quickly, and there is no issue of positive and negative numbers. If you want to see, we can run it again. We can run it quickly and then see the negative numbers. Suppose we have taken a -5 as the first input, and 4 as a second input. We can see the negative values are coming very properly. So there is no problem in this program for as a learners. It can be make a better way to visualize, and we will see that in the calculator program when we will be doing so with the help of these basic operations. So till now, I'm just revising the program. First of all, we have committed the program, then included the header files. Then the main functions, inside that we have done some declarations, taken the input and output, and after applying the logic of multiplications, the output has been printed properly. And that's the end of our multiplication program. Hope you enjoyed. So thank you so much, dear learners. Enjoy learning.